y'all, Anson here from Ivey's Forge and Homestead. Alright, so today I finally finished the sled for the table saw. Let's go check it out. Alright, so here's some of the materials that we're going to be utilizing today. I have some white oak. This actually came off of a pallet. I actually have a few pieces of that. That's really nice. I'm going to use this for the runners. Then I have some of this beautiful California redwood that I actually got from my uncle. I'm going to be using this for the fences. So it's going to have a smaller fence in the back and then a taller, a little bit bigger fence in the front, along with another little block to put in the back. It's more for safety. And then I have just some plywood that was actually left here at the house when I bought it. It was in the rafters of the shop here that I'm going to use as the base. Now this is a 5-ply plywood. It's a little thicker than I would like it to be, only because the thicker you make the base, the less cutting that you're going to get from your blade for the thickness of this plywood. So I wish I had a 1/2-inch ply or even a 3/8 ply, but I do not have that currently, so I'm going with what I have. not a how-to. It was basically just a build that I did that I needed to get done. But I still wanted to show y'all what I did. Okay, so I do need to make this a little safer. So on the back side where I hold it, I want to cover up the back where the blade comes out. And I'm just going to glue this in. And then the only thing that's really left to do with this is to test how accurate it actually cuts. Because obviously a sled is only as accurate as you make it, right? I'm actually going to be using, it's William Ing's video. It's five cuts or something like that. Sled, he actually did a really great job. If you want to know how he did everything, is to be very, very, very accurate down to the 1,000th of an inch. Go check out his video, and I'll link that video down in the description. All right, so let's get this glued up. And happy Easter, y'all! I got my Blantons. I didn't pour this until after I made this. Okay, this is with dinner, but I'm gonna get this glued on, and then I don't drink and use power tools, so I will test this tomorrow. All right, and one thing that I did not add on the video was I actually did put wax on the bottom of this. That way it slides much easier. You can just use a candle, or if you have a hardened type wax like that for candle making, just put it on the bottom. It makes it nice and slick. All right. So definitely appreciate y'all for following along. Check out all of our links down in the description. And we'll see y'all next one. Bye-bye now. Happy Easter.